Meaning of gummed.
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 Gummed. Gummed refers to the process of applying a sticky adhesive substance, typically gum arabic, to the back of paper or other material. This is often done to enable the material to be adhered to a surface, such as in the case of stamps or envelopes. Gummed materials have a tacky surface, which allows them to stick to other surfaces without the need for additional adhesive. The result of gumming a material is that it becomes easier to use and handle, making it a popular choice for a range of applications, from arts and crafts to packaging and mailing.